Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to import a video on CapCut PC, then it is pretty easy. You have to watch this video till the end and you will know how you can import a file or a video or audio from your file or your system. So you have to do is simply open your CapCut PC. Now from here you can find create project. So I'm going to create a new project from here. Now if you want to import it, you can find this part of your CapCut PC has four parts: first, second, third and fourth here. So the first part actually help you to get some basic important tools here and some media here where you can find this import button. But if you can find this part here, then you have to do is simply click on menu, and from here you can find layout, and you have to simply click on reset current layout, and you can find it back to the default. Then you can find this import option here where you can simply click on it and it will open the file manager where you can import some photos, videos, all the things that you want. So you have to double click on it, or you can do simply click on it, click on that video and simply click on open, and it will also import that video. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and drag down will help you to add this on the main track. Thanks for watching. Till next time.